This is why you should always have a Swiss Army knife. My lovely dog Annabelle, today, for whatever reason, decided to eat the cord for my e-logs. So, we're doing a little modifying. They got these OEM crap where this, oh my God, y'all okay? Everybody okay? This connector here was in there that connected to that there. Instead of just making it easy, they put some special connector in there instead of making it a plug. So what we're doing is we're cutting out this piece so we can plug right into the tablet. And then this thing loses charge all the time anyway, so now it'll be directly plugged in and still have its usefulness. But we gotta modify this bracket. Now, I'm an owner-op, so they're gonna charge me for this anyway. So I might as well make it work better. So let's make it work better. Now that's better. Now this thing, I probably should bring a tripod with me. Now this thing can go back on there the way it's supposed to. And then I could plug right into it. Like yada. Heck yeah. So now my e-logs will work. And this little thing can chew another cord, but I can go to the store and get a cord that works. So let's put it back together. I like to be fancy and show you me putting it back together, but I have no way to hold the phone. Sorry. Just like that, it's fixed. We are charging again. We don't have to run stupid paper logs. We're plugged in. Fantastic. Petey and Annabelle. Petey! Say hi, Petey! All worn out. Annabelle's worn out from chewing on my cords. And that's all we got. Sometimes all you need is a good old Swiss Army knife.